Hey everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with another pick a card reading in which we are going to find out, do they love you? Whoever it is that you want to know that question from, do they love you? This reading is definitely for you and you can, get the answer that you are seeking right now. Do they love you? Yes or no? I have pulled two, tarot cards and one oracle card for both the sets here. I have two sets here, set 1, set 2, set beer and then set cheeky. Pick whichever set you want to choose to get the answer to your question. Do they love you for a specific someone? You can always check different sets for different people, but I would never recommend to check both the sets for the same person. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out. Do they love you? Whoever it is that you have on your mind and you really want to know if they love you or not, then let's find out. Let's start with pile 1, which is the beer pile. Let's find out. Do they love you? Whoever it is that you have on your mind. Three of Cups, pair of Wood, Queen of Swords. I feel like they do have liking towards you, but I don't think it's love yet. They love spending time with you. They have this strong bond with you that way, which is not friendship. I don't see a friendship there. I feel like it's more of a bond that that whenever you come together, whenever you are spending time together, you always have fun. You always enjoy that time, but I don't see love here as of now. There is no love and this connection as of now. Now, if you really want this connection to become something beautiful or to have that soulful connection with your specific someone that you are asking this question about, I would recommend you to not take this connection so seriously because I feel like maybe you are somebody who really wants something more than just friends or maybe something something committed in this connection. If that's you, then you should not expect too much from this person, this connection as of now. There is no love right now in this connection, but if you could enjoy what you share, if you could let things be the way they are, and just let it become something that you want, instead of thinking when is it going to happen, when this person is going to start loving me, when is this going to happen, when are they going to commit and stuff. It's just gonna end the connection, kill the connection that you have, because right now the current energies around you two is there is like a lot of fun that you have with each other, but lack of fun or a bit too much of serious thinking around this connection is going to spoil this connection. Or if you are already in detachment with this person or separation with this person, I feel like that one thing has become the reason for the two of you to part ways, because I feel like as long as you are keeping this connection fun, happy, excited, the connection is going to last. As soon as you become serious, as soon as you become somebody who starts demanding commitment and stuff like that, the connection is going to get like it's like your person is going to push you away. Why? Because maybe it's like they don't have love for you. Now maybe you also don't have love for them, or maybe you are willing to take this connection to the next level, maybe because you have been physical with them, maybe because you have started liking them more. It's like it's not going to work that way. If you have already tried it, I feel like you might have already detached or ended connection with them already. Maybe you are already this person could be already your ex or something. If you really in that phase where you are enjoying company of each other, let it be that way. Don't expect too much, don't demand too much from this person. Keep it as much fun as you would as you could, because that's going to lead this connection to something beautiful and meaningful that you desire with him or her. Otherwise this connection is going to end, and it will never revive the beauty that it has right now, or it will never revive that connection that you felt in the very beginning if you are in separation from this person, because there will be always this one thing that went wrong or that will be going wrong in this connection if you start expecting too much from them. The more you keep it lighthearted, the more it is going to have a lot of fulfilling connection coming from your person. Otherwise, if you start getting this way, somebody who's very demanding in terms of give me commitment, give me love, give me this, give me that, um, it's just gonna, you're just going to push your person away. So yeah, there's no love as of now, and I don't see that love will happen between the two of you until and unless you stop demanding more than, more from this person. Plus, I would also like to add one more thing. Don't shower your person with your love. That too is going to push your person away, because maybe your person, whoever it is that you're dealing with, that person doesn't want love. They love fun with you, they love and have fun, enjoy having time with you, but they are not ready for love, relationships, and stuff like that. So neither they want that love right now, nor they want you to give them love. Either way, they are going to push you away. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. Have patience. Love is patient and kind always. So yeah, just be kind and just be patient with them, because I feel like, with the passage of time, as you spend more time with this person, the connection is going to get deeper and stronger. But if you start demanding stuff, maybe you are not demanding too much. It's just that you are demanding something which a healthy, a relationship does have in a connection. But since your person is not ready for any relationship, you might not get it, and that's how you will start feeling lack of happiness in this connection, and you will start picking up fights and stuff like that. So try to have patience with them if you really want. Otherwise, I feel like, you are going to end this connection, or maybe for some of you, you might have ended the connection already with a specific someone. But if you still want this connection to, revive, yes, you can still have the good times with them, and try to keep it light and fun, and that's how you will get what you want with your specific someone that you are asking this question about. Do they love you? No, they don't right now, but yes, there's a strong chance or strong potential in this connection to grow into something beautiful. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose the beer pile. Let's move on to the second pile, the chicky pile. Let's find out what is the answer for you guys. Do they love you? Whoever it is that you're asking about, let's find out. Do they love you? Yes or no? Knight of Pentacles paired up with, hold on, Two of Pentacles. They do have love for sure, but they are indecisive. It seems like, there is something which basically, um, they do have love for you, but at the same time, I feel like, maybe they find it very hard to pursue this connection with you. There could be religious differences, there could be something else which is stopping them right now, which is making them confused right now. Shall I pursue the connection or shall I not? Because they do have strong connection with you, attachment with you, love for you. But at the same time, when it comes to, how would they continue this connection, how would they, like to go about this connection, um, will their parents accept it, will your parents accept it? There are so many questions that they start having every time they think of making a move towards you, every time they think of, taking this connection to the next level. They have a lot going on in their mind. Then deep down in their heart, they are so sure that you are the one for them. They do have that much love for you, but every time they think of making a move towards you, their mind definitely gets in the way, and they start feeling like maybe it's never going to work, maybe it's going to be this and that. So there is something that stops them, which comes from their mind. It can be a mental block about love and relationships. It can be blocks like, maybe the parents are not going to get agreed. It can be blocks around like maybe you could be the one for them or you cannot be, like, in terms of, especially if they have, some if they know your past, and if there is something that is bothering them about your past, that could be the reason too that they are holding themselves back right now from the connection or pursuing this connection. Maybe, maybe they knew your past affairs, and there is something unacceptable there, which sometimes, like, which when they feel love for you, they don't feel about that. But when they think of, committing to you or getting married to you, that could be one of the blocks that stops them as well. So it's going to be different for different people, but yes, I do see that there is strong love in this connection, and I don't think that they will be able to hold themselves back from the connection. They won't be able to do so. ultimately they're gonna choose their love over their mind or anything else. So yes, they do love you so deeply that they can't, uh, hold themselves back any longer. So whether you are in touch, whether you are out of touch, their love is going to get stronger, and that's how you and them are going to be eventually coming back together. If you are, away from each other. If not, I feel like, they might take some time to commit to you, but they surely will commit to you. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys. Do they love you? What's your guidance? Turn on your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. I feel like, for some reasons you and your person had have some some blocks. Maybe number 36, maybe either you or your person is 30 plus in when it comes to your age. um there might be some fears that that hold them back right now, and it's like, they have to think from their love perspective, not from their fear perspective. So there are certain things, definitely they have to turn their heart light on. They really have to see from that angle, that, with the love. They have to just stop getting fearful around, the future, this and that. It's high time that they start, or maybe for you as well, if you love this person, and if you are fearful around it, you really have to get easy about it. You really have to know that this person is all yours, because they do love you and they will make a move towards you. They will express it if they haven't expressed it yet. There are certain blocks which are stopping them right now, but yes, their heart is going to win over their mind. And they are going to, the times that they spent with you, that good days, moments, nights that they spent with you, is going to definitely win over the fears and blocks that they are having to pursue this connection right now. But yes, they do love you so deeply for sure, and they will be kind of, expressing it if they haven't expressed it yet. And I do see that you will be, together again. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the people who chose the cheeky pie. So yeah, if the reading resonated with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.